You say something.
Hello, my name is beccaboo. Oh, I feel so uncomfortable. Hello, welcome. I'm like bumping into everything. Okay, I just like don't know how to act anymore. It's been so long since I filmed. Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. I feel super awkward right now. I have not filmed a video in seriously so long. A lot's happened. My computer broke, my camera wasn't working, we got COVID, I lost my job again. So yeah, a lot of things have been going on. Now hopefully it's all gonna be better. I just really wanted to try and film something and try and get back in the groove, you know? So today's look it's simple. I think it's like romantic and great for Valentine's Day since that's next week already. I put on this outfit and I wanted to do a look that sort of went along with it. So if you're curious, then please keep on watching. I picked out the Huda Beauty Sand Haze palette to use today, and I thought it would go really nicely with what I'm wearing. So yeah, I've got a lot of Huda Beauty stuff out right now that I'm gonna try and use in today's look. I'm such a mess, like I totally forget how to film. So I haven't moisturized or primed or anything. So first I'm gonna start with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinimide Dewdrops. 2.5 pumps. This is super hydrating and I really like it underneath my makeup. My tan did not turn out that great again. What else is new? I just always rush it and I don't know. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier The Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. We need to be super moisturized before putting makeup on. Okay, so next, I just got these in the mail yesterday in PR, and that's the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. So I definitely want to try that out. I've got the shades Toasted Coconut, which is 240N, Apple Pie 255B, and Trace Lages 320G. I'm thinking that the Trace Lages is definitely going to be for when I am more tan in the summertime. And it's looking like the Toasted Coconut is going to be the shade for me right now. And I've never tried any of Huda Beauty's foundations, so I'm definitely anxious about that. It's definitely very thick. Hopefully I like it because I don't really like super thick things on my face. I've been like ride or die for the Wet n Wild Luminous foundation for like, I don't know, maybe it's been like a full year now. I'm not really sure. And I've gone through like so many different bottles. I'm just using the e.l.f. sponge to blend this into my skin. Color's looking pretty good. What is shaking on my table? Got this like really dark mark here. It's a cystic pimple that won't seem to go away. I keep picking it because I just really want it to like squeeze all the stuff out. Such a problem. This hair up here, I've been like shaving off my little baby hairs because they just really get on my nerves. And I decided to like let them grow back in. They look so weird. I guess I'm gonna have to like continue shaving them off. I mean, it's definitely thicker than I like, so I probably won't use it all the time. I just like had to look at my face up close. And it definitely looks thicker than what I'm used to. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with concealer. The concealers I have here are e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I have medium peach and light beige. I feel like both of these are gonna be this might be okay. I was gonna say I think they might be too light, but they might be okay. And then I'm just gonna add a teeny bit of the lighter one right there. My face looks so dry. Let me know down below what is your favorite foundation right now. Okay, then I've got to go in with my darker concealer as my cream contour. I feel like I've mentioned this in previous videos, but like when I don't do this, I don't like my makeup as much. So I try to always remember to do it. Okay, so I definitely have to work harder to blend this out on top of that foundation. So hopefully it doesn't look like I have stripes on my face. Okay, this is looking crazy. And I'm getting like lots of creasing already around my mouth, which I usually do not have. I know the solution is not to add more, but I need to somehow fix something going on here. And this is the Faux Filter Skin Finish Buildable Coverage Foundation Stick. Oof, my skin feels gross. My god, I sound like such a hater. I'm sorry. Okay, moving on. My skin just might look crazy throughout this whole video. As I was cleaning out my makeup, I was trying to reorganize. I came across the NYX California Beaming Face and Body Liquid Highlighter, so I definitely want to use that because it's so pretty. And I'm just popping that on the high points of my cheeks. And blending that in. It's just like the most beautiful like rose gold. The most beautiful rose gold glow. I know that I speak and don't always finish my train of thought, which is really bad. That's what I need to work on. Next thing, I need to set under my eyes. And for that, I'm using the ABH Translucent Setting Powder. And I don't really want to do too much because my skin's looking really dry. Started off saying I need really hydrated skin, but apparently it wasn't even enough for this foundation. I think I'm just gonna completely finish my face before moving on to my eyes. I just feel like that foundation is like grabbing everything to the extreme. Some concealer to my eyes as my eyeshadow base. The Sand Haze palette. And I'm gonna start with this shade down here. Next, I'm going to take the light pink shade on a bigger blending brush, and I'm going to blend out the edges. So then I'm going to take this very tiny bullet brush and take the darkest shade of the palette, place that where I would place a wing. So along the lash line, slightly winging that out. And then taking that first brush, smoking that out. Okay, I think I want to bring this in the crease. So I'm just going to follow the bone and drag this in the crease. Again, going over and blending that out. Alright, next thing we're going to do is kind of, I guess I could say blank out the lid. Just taking some concealer. I'm going to like cut my crease in the inner half. So it's like more defined in the inner half. And then I'm just kind of leaving it for the outer half. Blend that product in. Then I want to take this beautiful shade and place that over that area. because this shade kind of looks like my shirt. It's really pretty. Oh, it's darker than I thought it'd be. I wanted something lighter than that. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I might change my mind. I might add something else. I'm just gonna continue this over the lid, and I'm actually going to take this darker shade here, and I want to add it over top of where the smoky wing is. And I need something lighter for the lid here because I wanted that to be like a really light, sparkly lilac. So let me go into the Huda Naughty Nude palette, and this shade is kind of speaking to me. Shameless. It's more of a pinky shade, and I'm gonna add that over top. And I really want to have a lilac on the inner corner, so I just have this right in front of me, so I'm just going to use that. The Norvina Volume 4 palette. I am obsessed with this shade A2, so I'm going to use that. I'm just bringing it slightly on like the inner third of the eye. I was trying to stay all in the same palette, but since I already ruined that, I'm going to go back into the Naughty Nude palette, and I want to take this shade Filthy on a big fluffy brush and just go over the entire transition area, just to add a slightly more lilac tone to this look. I want to use that darker shade again on that bullet brush and carry that color down onto the lower lash line. I'm gonna stop about where my iris starts, and then I'm gonna pick up more of this shade and smoke that out the rest of the lash line. All right, let's get some brows on and then finish off the look. All right, so this is the lashes on. I need to add some freckles to my face because I feel like I look bare. Also, this eyelash won't stick in the corner of my eye. What else is new? Oh, I love freckles. And for lips, I'm going to start off with MAC Soar pencil. Then I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild lipstick called Mad for Mauve. And this is the High Shine Brilliance line. I kind of wanted this to be a little bit lighter, so I just want to go in with this ABH gloss called Sweet. It kind of matches my top. Okay, so last thing to do would be to do my hair. Okay, so this is the completed look. I actually decided to change my eyelashes because I wanted something a bit more full. And so I put on the House of Lashes Sephora Collection Collab Natalia style. I just like a dramatic lash, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I was a bit awkward. It's been forever, you guys know, since I filmed a YouTube video. So if you did enjoy this, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Leave me a comment down below telling me what you want me to film next. And hopefully I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!